As we discussed earlier, short day plants are those plants which flower below the critical photoperiod. Below the critical photoperiod means they flower only when light duration is lower than that of a specific photoperiod. Say here we have 24 hours cycle. Xanthium, as we know, a short day plant having a critical photoperiod of 15.5 hours. Short day plant means it will flower below this 15.5 hours of critical photoperiod if we provide it with the 16 hours of the daylight and 8 hours of the dark period, which is slightly longer than critical photoperiod. It will remain vegetative. So with the decrease of the light period below the 15.5 hours, it will produce flowers. As we decreased the light period up to 12 hours, it will flower. Even at the 4 hours of the day length, that is way beyond the critical photoperiod, it will flower. So the short day plants always flower below the critical photoperiod means they require the day length shorter than that of a specific photoperiod for the initiation of flowering. As far as long day plants are concerned, they require longer day length than that of a specific duration of light. For example, henbane, a long day plant, its critical photoperiod is 11 hours. Do not confuse with 11 hours. 11 hours critical photoperiod means it should have flower as we increase the light duration from 11 hours up to the 24 hours even. But it should not flower below this critical photoperiod. As in this example, if we provide it with the 10 hours of the light, it will remain vegetative. And as we increase the light period from the 11 hours, it starts flowering. With the gradual increase in the light duration, a long day plant henbane such as flowers. When we provide it with 11 hours of the light period, it will flower. Even up to the 20 hours of the light period, it will produce flowering. Do not confuse with the critical photoperiod of the short day plant and the long day plant. Here in these examples, as we discussed, xanthium is a short day plant with the critical photoperiod of 15.5 hours, whereas henbane is a long day plant with the critical photoperiod of 11 hours. Henbane, a long day plant, means it produces flowers with the gradual increase of the light period from the 11 hours, whereas xanthium, being a short day plant, will flower with the gradual decrease in the photoperiod from 15.5 hours.